Hello students, today I am going to start question number 8 of exercise 12.3. Now in question number 8, we have if z is equals to 10, find the value of z cube minus 3 into z minus 10. So what we have to do, we will have to put the value of z on this expression to get the value of this expression. Okay, so the expression is z cube minus 3 into z minus 10. So here at first we will solve this. We'll simplify it. So z cube will remain same minus, now here this monomial is multiplied with the binomial. So at first we will multiply by 3 to z and then we'll multiply by 10. Okay, so minus 3 into z is minus 3z. Then minus 3 into 10. First 3 into 10 is 30 and minus minus will become plus. Okay, so z cube minus 3z plus 30. So simplification is over. Now we will have to put the value of z here. Now putting z is equals to 10 on this expression, z cube minus 3 into z plus 30. So z cube, z is 10, so it will be 10 cube minus 3. We have to put 10 within the bracket, as we know that we will put the value of the variable within the bracket. Okay, then plus 30. Now 10 cube means 10 into 10 into 10. We'll write 3 times. Okay, now minus 3 into 10, 30 plus 30. Now 10 into 10 into 10. Here we have 3 zeros, so 1, 2, 3 and 1 ones are 1. So it's 1000 minus 30 plus 30. Now here these two have the same value but opposite sign. So if there is opposite sign, we'll be doing subtraction. So 30 minus 30 is 0, so we can cancel this. So value of this expression will be 1000. Okay, now moving on to the next part. Now in the second part we have if p is equals to minus 10, find the value of p square minus 2p minus 100. So the expression is p square minus 2 into p minus 100. So here we will have to find the value of this expression. Now here we can see that all these three are unlike terms. So this cannot be simplified. So directly we can put the value of the variable p. Okay. So we'll put the value of the variable within the bracket. So it's minus 10 and here p square was there. So it will be minus 10 square minus 2 into p. So 2 and the value of p within the bracket minus 100. Now since power is 2, we'll write the base twice, minus 10 into minus 10. Now 2 tens are 20 and minus minus will become plus. Then we have minus 100. Now if you multiply this to 10 tens are 100 and minus minus will become plus. Then we have plus 20 and minus 100. Now these two have the same value but opposite sign. So we'll be doing subtraction. 100 minus 100 is 0, so we can cancel these two. So the value of this expression will be 20. So this way we will have to find the value of the expression. Okay. So this was all about question number 8. Thank you students.